Like, I just wanted to thank my one friend for her crying faces and for sticking me, come looking for me and sticking me for a waffle. She also gave me, like, a long time ago, this sweatshirt thing, which was very cool. Yes, and I just want to express my empathy, like, there's some people here on YouTube that I'm subscribed to that's, like, also is going to have a hard time, in not too long. I know it's negative thinking, but my empathy is out to you, because it's devastating. But you go on, like, try, at least do something, try. So one friend says, like, his girlfriend left him, so that's, and him as well. He's got a it's the smartest dog race in the world, a whatever. But he also, like, goes everywhere with him. So it's like a little handbag. He's got a handbag for it. Also extraordinary individual. But yeah, this is also not far. So this cartel shooting everything kaput there. But yeah, that scene there where they shot that cartel leader, that looks very brutal and lethal. Devastating stuff.